enhancement.
I don't have no enhancements, man. I don't got powers, I don't got none of that, man. Look at me. Do I look like I got enhancements? Only enhancements I got is hypertension and type 2 diabetes.
No! I'm not answering another damn question until I speak to my family!
Where's Black Lightning? I don't see him. I blame his black ass, that's right. Soon as he come back, got all these soldiers rolling up in these streets, arresting anybody they want. They don't care nothing about our community.
I prefer cyclotronic.
Cyclotronic? That's funny, Ned. Markovians breached the compound with a special ops strike team and one meta. All dead.
The children?
All accounted for.
Put Freeland on lockdown.
Try to take the children.
Well, sounds like a personal problem to me.
Not really, Mr. Pierce. There's a clear and present Markovian threat, and until that is eliminated, we cannot allow you to leave.
Like Ash. Then is Commander Carson Williams.
Called the meta by his real name, Ned Cregan.
All of it was crazy.
I gotta go, Anissa. I may have found a weakness in the ASA's perimeter. Talk soon.
Mirror, mirror.
Of course.
Commander Williams. He's like your father in that he's a product of the original vaccine trials. He's a meta that can mimic the powers of any other meta that he comes in contact with.
Sheesh, that's a hell of a power to have. That's Grace.
Turn that damn thing off. What the hell is wrong with you?
Proctor wasn't a rogue agent. He was always meant to be a scapegoat. Proctor was working directly under orders from Odell, who received his orders from POTUS.
This could be some kind of setup, y'all. We don't know who's behind this mask and who she could be working for.
Sorry. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
You go home. We wait. If we don't hear from Anissa by tomorrow, we come up with a plan to bring her back across.
Hold on for more. And when I leave this time, make sure it's under